today we are going to have a yacht charter in Bodrum, Turkey. On my opinion, Turkey is #1 yacht destination and Greece is second. Just because there are so many yachts allocated, there are so many beautiful yachts, very different categories. Staff is very professional here and the water is very clean and there are so many bays which actually can catch only by water. So if you are resting in Bodrum, do not forget to book one full day yacht charter and enjoy it. Now attention, Bodrum is divided into areas. Yalikavak is one of the most famous touristic destinations because the most famous and luxury hotels are located there, like Mandarin, Edition, Lujo, also brand famous boutiques and fine dining restaurants are there. But I would love to speak about bitez. It's the second area of Bodrum. The water is especially blue here. I would say it's azure, just because it looks at Greece. So if you are spending your vacation here, it's like you are between Greece and Turkey. Actually, this area is also very famous by tourists and there are few luxury famous hotels located here. Met Hotel and Four Seasons, but it's still under construction. So this area is pretty quiet, silent. It's like to have a boutique vacation. And actually, anytime you can go and visit Yalikavak, which is 40 minutes by drive from bitez. Anyway, if you book your charter, which I highly recommend, you should have a road in bitez area, looking at Greece. Number 3, if you book your charter, book Gulet. Gulet is traditional wooden vessel. Gulet, it comes from southwest of Turkey. To build this beauty, it takes several years. And now I think it's time I stop speaking and will give you possibility to watch this video, enjoy this beautiful water, enjoy Aegean part of Bodrum, Aegean Sea, and feel this inspiration, this beautiful connection with nature, the vessel, and sea. After swimming a lot, we finally have our lunchtime. Hi! My babies, my family, what we have here? We have chicken, fish, a lot of veggies, and here we have Black Angel, a neighbor. Real pirates. Okay, bon appetit! The direction is Greece. We are going somewhere super close to coast island, Greece. Very beautiful. Greece. The color of water is a bit different, but still very beautiful. Here it's more green than blue. I'll show you now. To swim right from here. I don't know, it's 4 meters. The water is super blue, and the building you see is Four Seasons Bodrum, but it's still under construction and it will be opening 2023. At the moment they just build the blocks. Okay, it seems very big area, very green and beautiful. Let's see. And our hotel, which is Met Hotel and Resort, right on the left, it's there, and we are in a way to the hotel. The water is very, very blue. Here is the Four Seasons bedroom. I see it very precise. Going to be a very big territory. I see it will be rooms and villas. I see already villas on the left and probably on the right as well. To be a very green territory, very big.